Hello students, today I am going to explain history of class 10. Chapter is Nationalism in India and the topic of this chapter is the sense of collective belonging. This is last topic of this chapter, and in this topic 5 points are important. I am going to explain all these 5 points. The first point is personification of Bharat Mata, means image of Bharat Mata was portrayed, and that also transformed the nationalist movement in India. The first image of Bharat Mata was made by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and then next image was portrayed by Abanindranath Tagore. And in these paintings, the image of Bharat Mata was portrayed as a calm, composed and spiritual lady, but later on that was also changed. The second point which is important in this topic is national song Vande Mataram. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote Vande Mataram as a hymn to motherland in his novel Anand Math, and this song became very popular when nationalists started protesting against British, and they started singing this song during protest marches. Third point is collection of folklore. Many nationalist leaders, they started collecting folk song, folk tales and compiling it as a book. In North India, it was started by Rabindranath Tagore himself. In South India, that was started by Natesa Sastry. Natesa Sastry published a 4-volume of Tamil folk tales known as Folklore of Southern India. Fourth point is use of icons and symbols. Different types of icons and symbols were also used in this period to spread feeling of nationalism, especially during the Swadeshi movement. A tricolor was designed for unity between Hindus and Muslims. Gandhiji also designed a Swaraj flag, and these flags were used by protesters in their protest march. Fifth point is rediscovery of India's past. The British colonizers, they portrayed Indians as a backward people. So Indians wanted to discover India's glorious past. They started writing achievements made by Indians in the field of art, science, mathematics, etc. And this past glorified India's rich tradition, rich ancient culture, and that was started after discovering of Indus Valley civilization. Thank you.